Lebanese journalist Dima Sadek, known for her vocal support of anti-government protests, said on Saturday that she has been summoned for interrogation by the security authorities for spreading fake news about a local party and inciting sectarianism and racism. Sadek, a former presenter at local television LBC, said that the president of the Free Patriotic Movement Party Gibran Bassil had filed a complaint against her. Oh, and they asked security body if I can give them Gino Radi's, a blogger, activist number so that they could summon him too, but unfortunately I didn't have it, she tweeted sarcastically. Sadek is an outspoken activist and a strong critic of Hezbollah and Bassil, Lebanon's former foreign minister. In December 2019, she took part in one of the Lebanese protests against the ruling elite when her mobile phone was stolen by an alleged Hezbollah supporter. An online campaign to support her and two other activists, Gino Radi and Charbel al-Khoury, at the time of questioning, spread on Twitter under the name No to Police Repression. Member of Parliament Sami Gemayel tweeted in Arabic saying, "The campaign of summoning, initiated to lower free voices, continues with unmatched impudence." Twitter user Joyce Tabbitt said the authorities are unable to do anything but suppress the people's criticism. Another hashtag which translates to We're all Dima Sadek was also trending in Lebanon.